Hey guys, so today we're checking out a new flashlight from my friends over at Orcatorch. They sent me this, so we're going to unbox it and see what we got. Straight away, looks like a very nice package here. As with all their other lights that I've gotten, they do come in a nice case so you can protect the light while traveling, or the charger and batteries, keep everything together, which is nice. So this is the D511. And we have a little manual here, D511, a 2200 lumen dive light. So it uses 2 of the 26-650 batteries, and it's also compatible with the 3C batteries if you just have traditional batteries with you. An 8-degree beam angle and overheat protection, it says. So if you know me and seen my videos, you know that I dive a lot and I like flashlights because where I go in the Great Lakes, it's generally deep and pretty dark. So having a good dive light is always very necessary. So the one thing that I do straight away I notice is this silicone rubber here. And I like that on the lights because when you go to open this up, you have a really good grip because that silicone is just so grippy. So we got our batteries installed here. 2 5,000 milliamp batteries. So that should last for quite a while. Triple O-ring sealed, which is great. Oh, wow. I can't wait to see what this looks like at night. Since it is winter here in Michigan, I will not be taking it out diving right now. So I'll just go outside at night and give it a little test. What I do like about this is it is a twist to turn on. A lot of times when I'm diving, I have a light in my pocket of my dry suit. And on the push button ones, if you have the battery screwed all the way in, a lot of times it gets turned on in my pocket while I'm diving. Quite often I just back it off a little bit so it stays sealed, but hitting that button doesn't do anything. So if I do need it, I can grab it out, turn it all the way, then hit that switch. But with this, it's a surefire way not to turn it on accidentally in your pocket, running down the battery for when you do need it. So I'm a big fan of the twist to turn on instead of the buttons, especially with dry gloves or thick wetsuit gloves. You might be a little bit fumbly with a button. So this is just easy to twist and it's on. I can feel the heat coming off of that. That's quite bright. So let's see what else we got. We got a nice charger here. We have a plug for the charger, just a regular wall outlet. And we also have a car charger, which is very nice. For on the boat even, I can throw this into one of the 12-volt sockets and plug that in. And that looks like a tube for inside if we're going to use maybe traditional C batteries by the looks of it. But we do have a user manual, so I bet I'll figure it out. All right, so what I see so far is a depth rating of 150 meters. That's a long ways down there. It's a narrow, concentrated 8-degree spot beam, making it a great tool for focusing and exploring tight spaces and examining sea life up close. So this is made out of aircraft-grade aluminum, it says, and it is very sturdy. All their products are very well made. The threads are very smooth, well machined. Nice finish on it, that black coating. All right, so let's get into the run time with this. It says the output is 2200 lumens and the run time is 3 hours and 10 minutes. Now that is fantastic for something that bright. Now if you do use the traditional C batteries, it does drop the intensity of the beam down to 900 lumens and you'll get 5 hours out of the C batteries. This is impact resistant to 1.5 meters, so I guess if you drop it, it should be good, but try not to drop it. Where we use these, generally you might drop it off of the boat, which is not good. I noticed we also have spare O-rings, so a full set of 3, which is very nice to have. In all the flashlights I've had, I've really never had any issues with any of the O-rings going bad. If you just do maintenance, kind of like a pre-dive check, when I'm building the rebreather and going through my gear, just look at your O-rings when you're charging the batteries. Look for any dirt or dust or even hair if you have pets, and get that off of there and just have it lightly greased. And that will really make these last a long time and give you no problems underwater. But the triple O-ring sealed is just fantastic. Never had an issue. And I've been down to nearly 400 feet with my lights. So some very good stuff. We're going to charge this up and we will see you in the dark. Okay, so we're out here at night and we're going to try this light and see what it does. Turn off my headlamp. That is bright. Let's look this way. I like that. That is very powerful. So I think that would do a great job under the water or in a shipwreck. Very nice. All right, cool. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.